Time to stretch the Taggy's legs. Up YouTube fam, it's Saturday morning. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be like +4, +5 today. So we decided to take the Integra out on a 300-kilometer journey to Red Deer and back. Drive around the town and just hang out and see how she runs. We're taking it on 2 excursions this year, potentially maybe even the rally. So I want to see how it does on the highway, what kind of gas mileage it gets. And I know I'm driving it on the crappy master cylinder there for the clutch, but that's on its way and it's not leaking that bad. So I'm not risk adverse and I'm going to take the risk today. So stay tuned.
I can feel the night when I see the daylight. I should be alright when I see the night. Can feel the night. Oh no, can feel the night. Oh no, can feel the night. Oh no, feel the night. Oh no.
First time on the highway with the Type R, and first impressions are extremely good. This thing has road noise, but it's a Type R. It's missing the carpet, and it's missing insulation, I'm sure, in places. It drives straight as an arrow, and very responsive. So far, so good. I'm digging it. I think it'll be an extremely fun car to take on our 2 road excursions that we're going on this year. And the one thing that bothers me that you notice more so on the highway than in the city is the steering wheel is like this when you're driving straight. And I hate that. It's driving me bonkers. So at some point soon I'm going to be taking the wheel off and the hub and straightening it one spline over so the steering wheel will go straight. And I just love that noise. And it actually moves pretty good for a little 200 horsepower car. I'm very impressed with it so far. So far so good. Beautiful day. It's probably the closest day we've had to you know, spring-like since winter. And we're just gonna enjoy the day. We just came back. We just had some fat burger as a snack. And I always think about when I'm sitting there eating of the Fast and Furious thing from, I can't remember the guy's name. Lenny? No, it's not Lenny, it's the other guy. But anyway, saying to Brian that you can go get a fat burger with fries and something like that, or whatever, for $2.95. I always think about that. And we had a hot dog and some hot wings, and it was $27. This is ridiculous. So we're driving in Red Deer right now, and you know, I lived here for a good amount of time. Met a lot of great people here. Still, you know, have best friends from here. So the town did me well, but one thing's for sure, it's way dirtier than Edmonton. I don't think the Integra has been this dirty in a very long time. Well, probably ever since I've owned it. This is actually really good here, but the streets are soaked in a salty, mushy, gooey substance. So I'm not having fun driving through it right now. But the city's changed. Like, holy crap, I've been gone for like, I don't know, like gone 2.5 years, and it's changed so much. Like, seems like there's way more hustle and bustle here, especially in Gasoline Alley. Like, that place is way more busy than I ever remember. And coming into Red Deer is different over in dilapidated old pubs we used to go to. But no, this place, this is where I brought my anthracite Supra right after Kelowna, and I lived here for like a good 6 to 8 years straight. Before that too, before I had a license. But no, this place brings back a lot of fond memories of us driving around. You know, we had a crew going on here, and it was just so fun. You know, racing, driving around the city. Like, we had, you know, 20, 30 cars pretty much every night. It's actually crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'd ever live here again though. I definitely don't despise this place, but I just don't think I could live here again. And a lot of my best friends that I made here are dispersed anyway, so right around when I was leaving, we weren't really having any cool meetups or cruises like we used to, so it was kind of dying down anyway. But yeah, just very dirty, so it sucks. And I don't know if I have wiper spray or not, so I don't even want to attempt wiping my windows with the wipers. But yeah, dirty everywhere. That's all I got to say right now. We're just gonna do a city loop and see what we can find. So we just left Red Deer, the mud hole, and as you can see, this is the dirtiest the Type R has ever been in its life. Every single street in Red Deer is gross with salt, dirt, and wetness. Edmonton is dry like the highway, so that was kind of a surprise. And I am super OCD about my cars being clean, so I was gonna wash it after we ate. As you can see in the previous clip, it was just filthy. But I chose not to because every street stretching to the highway from any car wash is like this filth on the side of the road, covered. So I'll just get back to where I was. So I might as well just wash the car when we get home in Edmonton. And yeah, that's all I really got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as you could. I thought we would have a little more footage in town, but like I said, we were in a swimming pool the whole time, so it wasn't really enjoyable. And I didn't get a chance to meet up with any of my buddies, which is unfortunate. And we got a crap load of stuff to do when we get home. So hopefully I'll get the video up tonight, and you guys can sit down and enjoy some pastime, at least tonight or tomorrow. But that's all I got for today. Peace out.
I can feel the night when I see the daylight. I should be alright when I see the night. Feel the night, oh no. 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 I can feel the